In the previous videos, we reviewed the different industries and organizations and provided suggestions for your application materials. Now we're ready to actually search for internships. Most internship openings are looking for candidates to fill an immediate opening, meaning you should be applying the semester prior to the anticipated start date. However, depending upon the industry or company you're targeting, you may have to apply even earlier. For instance, students looking for summer internships should apply during the spring semester, and this may not apply for every company or industry, so be sure to do your research. To assist with the process, the Career Center provides a number of different internship listings through various portals. Within Connect SE, students can search for thousands of work-study, internship, and on-campus recruiting listings by function and industry. For international listings, along with cultural advice, cost of living expenses, and visa specifics, students can read Going Global to review more than 10,000 pages of content. Also in Connect SE, students can access industry-specific internship and job boards such as Art Search, which features current internship postings in arts administration, production, and artists and arts education. Bridge Worldwide Music Consortium serves as an online music connection, providing access to thousands of opportunities for musicians in performance, composition, teaching, competition, administration, and more. Environmental Career Opportunities lists hundreds of current environmental internships and connects you with nonprofits, corporations, professional firms, institutions, and federal, state, and local governments. And finally, Opportunities in Public Affairs identifies online resources for Capitol Hill positions, including legislative, public affairs, and public relations postings in the Washington, D.C. area. Each database provides constantly updated listings in order for students to enhance their skill sets. In addition to utilizing technology, students can meet with employers at a number of our events, investigate industries and internships, the career fair, our on-campus recruiting program, Trojan Talks, as well as Career Fest in the spring. If you would like specific event details and times, please refer to Connect SC.